Hello all, today we're going to share about how to do crispy fried plantain, or what Malaysian call it as pisang tanduk. So okay, let's see how it's being sliced first. This is how you open up the plantain. It's a very big banana and is a favorite among all. The only thing that is about it is expensive. So we're just going to start having it at Dt Cafe. You can slice it. The one that's already sliced, you can see it there, but this is being sliced. You can get 3 pieces out of one plantain or pisang tanduk. Okay, so that's how you slice it. Now you can see this is how the original banana looks like, or what they call plantain again. And then for this crispy pisang tanduk, what we need is tepung gandum, tepung ubi, sugar, and a little bit of salt. So first, we already do the flour, mixture of flour. Spoon. So this is how the plantain looks like when it's sliced. And now we also have the oil being heated up. When it's hot enough for frying, then we start frying the plantain. So now we mix the pisang tanduk with the flour. And the flour thickness, that's how you do the flour. So you mix the tepung ubi and tepung gandum, and the mixture is like that. So that is easy for it to stick and for it to be crunchy. Okay, now we start frying. The oil is already hot enough for that. Wow, look at that. Looks too good. Oh wow, listen to the sound. You guys are just going to love it. Look at that. See how it is look. Around. Looks pretty good. If you want more flour, what you do is just put more of it. You just drop it in the oil. You will have more crunchy to eat with. See, that's how you do it. Looks good, isn't it? So anyone interested to have anything from Dt Cafe, you can check our website, dtcafestore.com. Please feel free to do that. And then anyone interested to order anything, if it's not in the list, you can just leave a message. We will respond to you as soon as we can. So now you turn it around. It's almost done. See, looks good, isn't it? It's really looking good. And it'll be finger licking good when it's done. This is plantain or pisang tanduk, way they call it. I think it's almost done. We can take it out from the pot. Very good, very good. Hi Benedict, welcome to Dt Cafe. It is thick banana. It's called plantain. Now we get the oil to be drip out. So less oil, even though it's fried. It's a deep fry. Wow, look at that. It's done and it's ready to be eaten. This is the one that's not cooked yet. To be mixed with the flour when we want to cook it. This is the one that's already done frying. And we have the original one, if you want to get from the market direct. Wow, Benedict, you are welcome to order if you are interested. But I don't know whether you are in Malaysia to start with. So now you can see more is being fried. It's very easy to prepare. Just to get the type of banana is a little bit difficult. Very easy to prepare, very easy to fry, and it's nice to eat. So again, if you want to check the details of what we have at Dt Cafe, just visit our website dtcafestore.com. Okay, I think that's all for now we can share with. So anything, please feel free to reach out to us. Okay, Benedict, see you again. Bye. And bye everybody. Enjoy trying and enjoy eating it. Okay, bye.